misty hills are stained with tears. The wind still calls the fallen years. I hear their names in the cold night air, echoed soft like a whispered prayer. We marched as one through fire and rain, through blood-soaked fields and silent pain. No king, no crown could break our line, bound by fate and the ties that bind. We are brothers in arms, in the fading light, through the smoke and the storm, through the endless night. When the drums fall silent and the banners fall, we will stand together or not at all. I see your face through the cannon's roar, a friend, a soul I knew before. If I should fall on this broken ground, lay me where no war is found. We are brothers in arms, in the dying flame, through the loss and the scars, we remain the same. When the world turns cold and the skies grow dark, we'll be side by side in the final march. Oh, the war will fade like the morning dew, but the ghost